So I'm gonna make some pomegranate juice, you guys. This is just a pomegranate that I've seeded, and I blend the seeds and strain the juice. So you guys, I've just finished breakfast. I am stuffed. That was a big breakfast, but I'm so satisfied. But now I'm in my reading room and I want to finish The Shining. I only have a few more chapters left and I want to finish this because it's so good so far and I'm loving it. And I also want to pick my next read. So let's just get cozy and read for a little bit. I just finished The Shining by Stephen King and wow, this was a 5 out of 5 stars. It's my first time reading from Stephen King. I know. I've watched some of his movies. I've watched Carrie, It, and The Shining, but I want to say from what I remember, the book is definitely better than the movie, and now I really want to go watch it again. But yeah, the writing was just excellent. I mean, it was so engaging from the start. The characters, the writing, the whole story, and it does get really scary. So I highly recommend this for the winter. It is a wintry book and it was just a great read. So I just came to Walmart really quick because there's a coffee maker that I've been keeping an eye on and it was on sale today for 89 bucks, and it is a nice coffee maker because it has like the K-cup and the regular carafe coffee. So the coffee maker that I have now still works, but some of the buttons don't work anymore. So like the rich or bold brew doesn't work, the keep the coffee warm setting doesn't work anymore, and that one is like really important because usually I wake up super early, way earlier than Nick, and the coffee is never warm when he gets up. So I think it's time for a new coffee maker. I think I will be donating our old one because again, it still works, just not like those buttons and other functions. But the one I've seen is really nice, and I'm so glad it's on sale because I've been eyeing it on Amazon and I've been wanting it for a while. So let's go inside, let's get our coffee maker, and then go back home and make coffee because gosh, you guys, this looks so nice. It saves so much space and it has the carafe on the side, as you can see. So it's usually just me and Nick at home, so we have like a cup of coffee each. I'll have like a huge cup of coffee or two. So we do waste a lot of coffee, and It's nice to have both functions, like the K-cup, so we don't waste coffee. And then if like my mom or guests come over, I have the option to make a big batch of coffee. So this machine looks so good. I'm about to try it, but since it's new, I like to just kind of drip water just to kind of get it going and clean a little bit. And then we're gonna make a cup of coffee. So I'm making Nick a cup of coffee first. And I got these Starbucks K-cups. So you guys, it's a bit later and I made an iced coffee for myself. I've only made 2 coffees so far and I already love that machine. But now I browsed on Kindle for my next read and I ended up going with Steeped in Mystery by B.I. Skinner. This one is part of a mystery series, a cozy mystery series, and it's the first book. So we're following Ellie, who has just inherited a bookstore slash tea shop, and she wants nothing to do with it. She wants to sell the place and move back to New York, where she's from. But they later find a body in the town, and this person who is killed has a card with her information, her bookstore information. So she is immediately the main suspect in the murder, and she's kind of stuck in the town. But as she's trying to prove her innocence, she is also uncovering things about her family. So this one sounds so good, so cozy. I love the cover. And we also have a cat in the story. So yeah, it's my first time reading from this author and I'm excited to start it. So